Hello everybody, and today I would love to talk to you about the maltodextrin. So if you are interested in this topic, please watch this video. What is maltodextrin? It is a type of sugar in a white powder with no nutritional value. It is made of corn, which is GMO, rice, potato starch, or wheat, which is gluten. Maltodextrin is used as a thickener, or it is used as a filler to increase the value of processed food. It also used to increase shelf life of packaged food. Maltodextrin is also very inexpensive and very easy to produce. That's why it is present in so many products that you might not be aware of, such as instant pudding, salad dressing, baby formula, soft drinks, vitamins, nutritional bars, and many more. Why maltodextrin can have negative effect on ketogenic diet and your health? Because it has very high glycemic index of 110. It is almost double to table sugar, which is around 64. It means it is very bad for our blood sugar. It can raise our blood sugar level very quickly. So try to avoid these ingredients if you are trying to avoid weight gain, and especially on the ketogenic diet. Another reason to avoid maltodextrin is to keep our gut bacteria healthy. Maltodextrin can change gut bacteria composition, can suppress the growth of probiotics in digestive tract, can also increase the growth of bacteria like E. coli, which is associated with autoimmune disorders like Crohn's disease. Since maltodextrin can also cause a fast increase of blood sugar level, people with diabetes should also avoid these ingredients as well. The last thing I wanted to tell you, and this is very important, try to be a detective and read all ingredients on food labels, because avoiding all hidden sugars can help you to stay in ketosis and also can help you keep you on track in achieving your health goals. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to make more videos like this for you. So see you in the next one. Bye.